सर्वांना जय भीम जय महाराष्ट्र. ठाणे महानगरपालिका निवडणूक 2025-2026 या अनुषंगिक ॲज पर लॉज ऑफ कोर्ट अँड ॲज पर लॉज ऑफ घटना अँड संविधान लोकशाही तंत्रप्रणाली each संविधान घटना articles says that everyone and everything is goes by as per संविधान घटना and Lok Sabha Shashan Niyamawali. If there is a rules of central ministry शासन that पक्षबंदी अंतर्गत कायदा that's follow each and everyone in Indian countries लोकशाही तंत्र प्रणाली पक्ष parties, but that पक्ष parties not follow that's laws of Lok Sabha संसद कायदा संसद laws and against the Sansad laws and Qaeda, they are separated the parties, and that after the separation of the parties, both the parties in court. The when matter is the dispute in court, then no legality to declare as a Paksha party election as a Paksha candidates on Dhanushyaban Shivsena and Ubata Shivsena, Rashtravadi Ajit Pawar and Rashtravadi Sharad Pawar. It's as per law of Sarvocha Nyayalaya that when one of the case matter is in a dispute, the matter belongs to government property factors, the matter belongs to government Nivanduk Qaida Kanun, the matter is belonging to Paksha parties. If there is a dispute matter, then is no in between right to take decision when matter is in a dispute. So this is simple laws to understand. So why these political parties not behaving the laws, doing each and everything against the laws? If there is no law, there is no Savidhan, there is no Ghatna written. Why Savidhan and Ghatna written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar? Why Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is written that Savidhan and Ghatna and Lokshahi Qaida Kanun formed by in Indian countries? So each political party, each people of India living in country, those are having Lokshahi Adhikar, Savidhan Ghatna and Nivanduk, voting rights of Lokshahi, they should follow the laws of Central Court, Uच्च न्यायालय, सर्वोच्च उच्च न्यायालय, to follow the High Court's laws, to follow the Sthanik Court laws. That's why I raise the objection to the Election Commission of Thane Mahanagarapalika and Election Commission of Maharashtra Rajya State T. Wagmare. धन्यवाद.